What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching another video. If you guys follow me on Instagram and watch my story, some of you guys voted that you wanted to see me how I wax my 350Z and how I keep it very glossy. I'll be showing you guys what wax I use and how I apply it. So before I wax my car, the first thing that I do is I wash my car first. Alright guys, so after the wash, I apply some wax. The wax that I use is Meguiars Hybrid Ceramic Wax. And you want to use a microfiber towel to take off the leftovers of the wax. It's the liquid form. You could find it at your local store for less than $20. Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, I'll be wrapping up the video here. Paint looks amazing. I like Meguiars ceramic wax. I think it does a really good job in bringing out the gloss on the paint. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Check out the videos.